tease. Charlie. Hey, tease.
He's going in the dry water.
Look at it. What great teamwork. Yeah.
Yeah.
Gonna help your sister? Oh, there's more in the washer, Charlie. Go in the washer.
More.
More in the washer.
I'll get some for you, Charlie.
There. That goes in the dryer. Watch all the little pieces that fell, honey.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I can feel the wetness.
Good job, Charlie, picking it up. Okay, is there one right here, Victoria? Is that a wet one? Is it wet or dry?
Wet.
Okay. Good job. Is that everything, Victoria?
No.
No?
It's clear now.
Okay, good job. Watch fingers. Okay. Hold on. Put that in.
Set it for 15 hours.
15 hours?
Or maybe 16. Perfect.
Okay. Well, you gotta turn on the power button.
This one?
Over. Further right.
There?
Further right.
Here? Yeah.
Up. Turn. Yep. That button is the power. Okay. Now turn the knob. A little more. 2 more. 1. Oh, yep. Perfect. Nope. Too far. Too far. Oh, 1 more. Nope. Other way. Hold on. See where the red light is?
Yeah.
When you turn it once to your left. There we go. Perfect. Okay, hit the start button. That was that big first one. Yep. Oh, you just turned it off, honey. Okay, we gotta do the dial again. Keep going. Keep going. 1 more. Perfect. Now that big button. Yep, that one. Ta-da! And this is what a 5-year-old does on her birthday. Yay!